Selling debit spreads on Robinhood is a popular options trading strategy that can help you generate income and hedge your portfolio. To get started, you need to have a Robinhood account and some basic knowledge of options trading. First, understand what a debit spread is. A debit spread is a type of options spread where you buy and sell options with different strike prices, but the same expiration date and underlying asset. When you sell a debit spread, you are selling a spread where the premium you receive from selling the option is less than the premium you pay for buying the option, resulting in a net debit to your account. To sell a debit spread on Robinhood, start by logging into your account and navigating to the options trading section. Choose the underlying asset you want to trade, such as a stock or ETF, and select the expiration date for your options. Next, choose the type of debit spread you want to sell, such as a bear call spread or a bull put spread. A bear call spread involves selling a call option with a lower strike price and buying a call option with a higher strike price. A bull put spread involves selling a put option with a higher strike price and buying a put option with a lower strike price. After selecting your spread, you need to set the strike prices and the number of contracts you want to sell. Make sure to set a limit price for your spread, which is the maximum amount you are willing to pay for the spread. Once you have set up your trade, review your order carefully to ensure everything is correct. Check the net debit to your account, the strike prices, and the number of contracts. When you are ready, submit your order and wait for it to be executed. It is essential to have a solid understanding of the risks involved with selling debit spreads, including the potential for unlimited losses if the trade moves against you. Always use proper risk management techniques, such as setting stop-loss orders and position sizing, to minimize your potential losses. In conclusion, selling debit spreads on Robinhood can be a profitable trading strategy, but it requires careful planning and execution. By following these steps and using proper risk management techniques, you can successfully sell debit spreads and generate income from your options trading activities. Remember to always educate yourself and stay up to date with market conditions before making any trades.